my god, oh my god. Hello my loves, it's a brand new day, it's a brand new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Lihle. If you're a regular degular, thank you so much for coming back, for clicking on this video. Today is chilled. I have a package that I want to unbox with you guys. I'm super excited for this. It is my very first package from I'm so excited. Ah, killing me softly. Oh man, this is cute. I love the packaging, but no shame, they do the most. Oh, this is so cute, hey? Huh? Our first item. Ooh. This is cute. Oh, the leather. Not me sniffing. The leather is so cute. Oh, this is... Okay, let's remove this. Might as well, okay? The thought process when I got this was because, you know when you go to Groove, and you have a nice outfit and you just wanna... Okay, personally when I go out, like if it's like out like the streets, I don't like carrying a lot of things. Also, I don't want a bag where I'm going to be... No, I just wanna sling and go. So that was the thought process. And when I saw this bag, I was like, what? And the texture, guys, it's so beautiful. Can you see that? It's so cutesy, hey? And it's cool. Oh. So it's the thingy. Oh. Not me sniffing, Sana. Okay, there's like tag. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. It's a small note. Certificate of authenticity. This item has been made from high quality fox leather. To maintain the original appearance, we recommend you to keep this product dry and avoid contact with wet or rough surfaces. Do not use chemical cleaners to care for this product. I love it. It's like mini instructions. So cutesy. The next one. You thought I got one? I got two, baby. Got a pink one. Okay, let's remove this. I don't like this. How cute is this? Hey? It's so cute, man. Hey? I love me a pink bag. Oh, this is so cute, bro. And I have a lot of pink outfits, so. Hi guys, it's another day, another unboxing. Santa Claus is here. Finally received my Aldo order. It's my very first Aldo order, so let's unbox it together. So excited. I am one girl that loves spoiling herself. I believe in spoiling myself. Like, it's crazy. Like, if you can, just spoil yourself, Gangrana dog. Like, why not? So this is my very first Aldo, and I'm excited. Yeah, I'm going to insert the bags on the screen, but this one is for work. Yeah, this one is for traveling. I'm so excited. Look at this, babe. How elegant is this, babe? How cute is this, babe? I mean, what do you mean, babe? I actually thought it was bigger, hey? I actually thought it was bigger. I was thinking office. Nonetheless, this is so cute. It's so cute, guys. Yes, well, let's close up. so in love. I'm doing this unboxing as quickly as I can because I have a meeting in like 5 minutes. And this mini bag. So cute. It smells so good. I really thought it was bigger than this yet. In my head, I was thinking laptop bag. I know. Sis Lihle, guys. Put some respect on my name. Sis Lihle. That's me. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I love it. Okay. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. It's so girly, like Sister Omtala. Okay. The second one is this beautiful red number. This one is so beautiful. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, what do you mean? Clock it. Hey my loves, it's a brand new day. Let me lower the volume. I hope you guys can't hear that. Yay, it's a brand new day. It is so hot. I'm sweating like crazy, but I've got my water with me. Yeah guys, today is quite different. I'm going on a wine I'm going on a breakfast date with my team at a wine estate. One of our team members is leaving, so I think this is like a low-key farewell for her. So yeah, join with me as I make my way to Stellenbosch. We're going to Tokara. Is it Tokara wine estate in Stellenbosch. So yeah, Masambeni. I'm wearing my orange dress. I'll show you the full look once we get there. For now, let's just beat the traffic and amen. Bye. Is done, so I am going to be packing for the weekend. The girls and I are going away, so I did pack a few things already last week just to, you know, prepare myself for today's packing. So yeah, I'm just going to pack a few things. We are also doing a Friendsmas where we each going to be giving out gifts. We're going to be like a gift exchange, and we do not know who is going to get what for each person. So I went with getting silk scarves, head wraps, whatever they want to do. It's multi-purpose. So I got this as well as a notebook. I thought the notebook would make some sort of sense. I also want to introduce, or rather I wanted to write down 1 or 2 things we are grateful for this year. So we are going to have a beautiful session just to reflect on 2025 and yeah, just be grateful for what we have. I did get a few different books, so something pinkish, and we're gonna have a theme, and I'm excited to show you guys what we will be having. But for now, I'm just going to quickly unpack so that I can pack properly. Yeah, pack with me, guys. your day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I did not give you guys a brief update, or rather context, as to what the hell is going on. So I am currently at the Alphon Boutique Hotel. I am going to be attending training at work today at the hotel, and it's so cool. For a moment though, it actually wasn't aligned with my trip, with my girls' trip, and it's literally on my way to where we are going to check in for accommodation. And I thought I should just come with my luggage, of which I came with my luggage for the day. And yeah, we are here for the training. Then after the training, I'm going straight to my girls for my girls' trip. It's also Black Friday, so it's gonna be a lot of commotion. But hopefully we get to finish early, because I really want to check in early. I really want to just set the tone, the mood with the girls, and have a good time. I know some of my girls took the day off. So proud of them for that. I couldn't take a day off because of this training, so it was mandatory for me to attend the training. So we are nonetheless. I'm currently wearing green outfits, green shorts. And yeah, guys, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling excited. I'm going to quickly go to the venue where we're gonna be trained. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this girls' trip. I hope you guys can hear me, hey? But yeah, this place is so beautiful. Constantia. It's at Constantia, by the way. But yeah, let me go in. I'm just freshening up. I have my bags here, some of my bags, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this trip, guys. Ooh. We have been planning this trip for months, looking for a place to stay, figuring out like how are we going to travel together. It's a shame that we couldn't come in the same ride. That would have been nice. But yeah, let me go in and do my training. I can't wait to go to the trip. This day should end. All right, bye for now.
I think it's time we confronted the situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you be with me, if you I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me.
Hello, my loves. Firstly, I hope you guys can hear me from this mic. Secondly, we are currently at Fishhook at our Airbnb. The girls and I booked this place for the weekend, and I am the first person to arrive. I was very close to the venue, or rather very close to the accommodation that we booked at. And as you guys saw that I left in the morning, I finished early with my training and made it straight to the accommodation. And I must say, guys, it is absolutely beautiful. It is so cozy. It is so home-like. It feels like I'm home, away from home, literally. The host has handed over the keys, has shared the Wi-Fi, and I am super excited. So excitedly. Oh, this is cute. There's cookies. I'm so excited to be here. I am a bit tired, so it does seem as if I'm not excited, but I am. I'm going to briefly show you the accommodation, and yeah, hope you guys like it.
these kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want, make me tell me with this all big on. I never tried you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell you what's up in God. I'm gonna make me the I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
Absolutely love this place. It is so beautiful. It is so peaceful. I managed to order something to eat because I'm a bit hungry, man, and these girls are gonna be here quite late. It's already 6 p.m. and yeah, this place is absolutely amazing, guys. It's so breathtaking. I am in love, Sana. Like, ooh, shit. The mountains, the peace, the neighborhood. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I thought I should just step outside, but it's getting a bit cold. It's getting a bit chilly, but the beauty, oh my gosh. When you get the time to book a vacation with your girls, I advise you to please do, because life is too short. Life can literally wisp you away even before you knew it. So yeah, book that trip. This is my absolute first time in Fishhook, and I must say it's a pretty suburb place. People that have retired, people that have settled down. There's beautiful houses here, guys. Ugh. You know what? Let me just show you the views. Let me go inside, guys. It's not worth it. Actually, it is worth it. It's just cold.
Moved out of London cause things were really sticky. Grey gates, Range Rover sitting pretty. You know I love my G-Shocks if you were really with me. Before I reach a milli, I'ma buy a Richard Millie. Dinner with red wine, her drink is fizzy. Can't take the city out the girl, just the girl at the city. Only once I have to ask a chick, you really with me? The way I'm living silly, I need her to live it with me. I do see food Saturdays when I see your girl. Only oysters she's ever had were on TFL. She want a BBL, but trust me, I'ma treat her well. At least one of us making sure she eating well. Orecchiette pasta, I'm in Casa Cruz. I should've brought the young G's cause they do banging food. Cream blazer, white knight, call me Harvey Dent. Bruce Wayne, the timepiece, I brought Batman too. Know what we got in common with a game of pool? Having 8 balls and starting with a Q. I got a crazy life, girl crazy too. I got a baby and my baby want a baby too. I wasn't made to be a gangster, I'm taking a rest. That's a home truth that I'll take on the chest. You can't be a middleman inside this game of chess. If he's taking offense, then I'm taking offense.
Life is a balance. You lose your grip, you can slip into an abyss. No doubt, you see these niggas tripping. Ego in charge of every move, he's a star. And we can't look away due to the days that he caught our hearts. He's falling apart, but we deny it. Justifying a half-ass shit he dropped, we always buy it. When he tell us he a genius, but it's clearer lately. It's been hard for him to look into the mirror lately. There was a time when this my hero maybe. That's the reason why his fall from grace is hard to take. Cause I believed him when he said his shit was pure. The type of nigga swear he real but all around us fake. The women, the dick riders, you know the yes men. Nobody with the balls to say something to contest them. So it grows out of control until the person that he truly was all along is starting to show. Damn.
Is this the life that I prayed for?
Okay, let's do an OOTD. Good morning, my loves. It's a brand new day. It's a Saturday. We woke up, had some breakfast, vented, girl talk, and we are finally going to our gospel concert. It's not far from here. It's in Musenberg, somewhere there, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, the theme is pink and orange. So I decided to go with my orange dress, black sandals, as well as my black bag. So from the bottom up, for Sheeny, the dress is from Unique, the bag is from Joe Bouquet, and got the swatch from my mom. Lovisa, earrings and necklaces from Lovisa. Hair is from my hairstylist. I'll tag her, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna do a mini. Do you wanna do a mini OOTD, girl? She's shy, guys. Camera shy. But we're all looking cutie. It's hot, guys. And yeah, I hope we have a good time where we're going. We're going to be carrying a few drinks, cooler boxes, some water to hydrate, and yeah, we are gonna be leaving soon. Ish. Last night was a lot, guys, so I'm still trying to recover from that. But Akana is very camera shy. I have asked LeighLihle to join me so that she can share her details, her outfit for the day. And come closer, girl. Come closer. Come closer.
Okay.
There you go.
Yep. Hi vlog. Hi guys. I hope you guys are good. My name is LeighLihle. I am LeiLihle's friend, okay? Outfit of the day. I got this dress as a gift from Akona, so I don't know where she got it from. Accessories are from Lovisa. These shoes are from Tags. If you are in Durban, you know which store I'm talking about. I am going to be carrying my bag. Can you pass that bag for me? That one, yeah. I am going to be carrying this bag. I got this bag from Shein, and yeah, that's it. Everything is from Lovisa.
Okay.
Yeah. So jewelry is from Lovisa. Dress, it was a gift. Tags and Shein. Thank you.
Thank you, LeighLihle. So we're going to get dressed, or rather get ready to leave and chat with you guys a bit later. That's
Sorry,
guys. Yes. Come through.
You're doing the old thingy. Oh, for now, what's it like? This is the front, isn't it?
Yeah.
Period. On her. Period. Oh, the sun is doing the most here.
Exactly.
Exactly. It's sunning.
Hello, my loves. I know that I did a first OOTD change of plans. But see, a wise man changes his mind, so I changed my mind. And looking at the weather here in Fishhook, I wasn't too sure about the dress, so I went with my jeans and this orange top. Obviously the bag is Joe Pocket. This is for Sheeny, as well as my shoes, my sandals, the black ones, and Lovisa is on the jewelry. Yeah, guys, this is about it. We're about to leave now on request. We have our cooler boxes. We are ready to go. We are ready to have a good time. And hey, weather is a Cape Town, guys. I'm gonna carry my black jackets just in case it switches up on us, and crossing fingers that it doesn't. We both changed our outfits, so I'm just gonna let her do the most. All right, girl. What are you wearing today?
Okay, I am wearing this shirt or top from Pharaoh. I got this jeans from the Fix. These from Tex, and my accessories, everything is from Lovisa. Click it.
Changed our mind. We changed our minds, guys. Yo, bruh, it's crazy. It's crazy. But we kind of like matching now. It's low key. I don't know why. But our girl Akona is looking all cutesy in the pink. I must say, I'm gonna clip her picture here. She looks absolutely cute, and her pink blazer and shorts and sneakers. And she's just. Are you joining? Oh, she's joining. She's coming to show us what she's wearing, guys. And she'll also tell us where she got her fit from. But yeah, the weather is okayish, but not entirely. All right, Akana, thank you for joining us. I'm gonna hand over the mic to you, and you let us know where you got your outfit from.
Hi guys, this is Akona here. I got my two-piece for Sheeny, my bra, Sheen, my shoes, Adidas but ordered by Superbalist, my bag, Luella, all the way from Foschini, earrings, the fix, the hair, delightful, thank you, clock it.
She looks absolutely cute. Thank you, Akona. Catch you guys a bit later. Love you. Bye.
I will be back.
Hey my loves. I know you thought it was the end of the vlog. Before I end the vlog, just wanted to update you guys that I'm back home. And yeah, I got a few parcels from Superbalist, but before we go there, I just want to quickly show you guys what the girls got me, or rather what we got each other for our Friendsmas gift exchange. So I was worried that we would get similar items for each other. Luckily, thank God, we didn't. So firstly, this is like it's like a shawl but a head wrap. So pretty, so versatile. Love it. And I also got pretty planner. This is super cute, very thoughtful gesture for my girls. I got wipes, this shower oil from Nivea. Initially I had no idea what this was, but when I asked, apparently it's like a shower gel. Pretty, it's so cute. But when the first thing that I saw, or thought it was, I thought it was like a glycerin vibe, but it's so cute. Absolutely love it. What is this called again, guys? I don't know what it is, but you shower with it. I also got a hand cream. So thoughtful, guys, so versatile. Got a pen as well as a candle, scented candle. So cute, so adorable. It was so cute. Like, I really enjoyed doing that with the girls, and it was just so thoughtful. And then let's jump into our unboxing. I got my order from Superbalist that I want to unbox with you guys. So this is a birthday gift slash Christmas gift for my family, for my loved ones. So I have a birthday party attending soon. I need to get a gift, and I owed a couple of people gifts, a couple of people from my family gifts. So yeah, first one. Ooh, yes, some of the gifts I can't really do an unboxing. That's the first one. Another guest bag. Oh, ooh. I love the packaging. Cute purse. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, like, comment, and repost or share. I would really appreciate you guys for doing that. Subscribe as well, guys. We are finally at our 100 subscribers, so I'm so excited for that. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Slowly but surely we are growing in this channel, and I can't wait to see where or when am I going to get to a point where I get to do like a giveaway or a celebration of some sort. But we'll figure it out as we go. And yeah, ciao for now.